Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well. And today we're going to speak about an important subject for each and every one of you that engages in the ketogenic lifestyle and low-carb dieting. It's very, very important, and it is to prioritize self-care. Yes, it's important to be good to yourself. You're taking the big step to lose weight, trim down, feel good, get healthy, change your eating patterns and lifestyle, and you should be good to yourself as you progress on your mission to make positive changes in your life. You know, life can be somewhat overwhelming at times. The stresses of work, family, and finances can take their toll on our mental and physical well-being. As keto dieters, we strive to take care of our bodies through our diet and lifestyle, but it's important to remember that our mental health is just as critical and crucial. Prioritizing self-care means making time for activities that make us happy, relaxed, and improve our overall well-being. In this video, we will speak and explore about how to prioritize self-care on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Now, everyone that's listening to me should make self-care a priority in your daily routine. One of the best ways to prioritize self-care is to make time for it each and every day. Whether it's a few minutes of meditation, a walk in nature, or reading your favorite book, having a daily self-care routine can help overall your well-being. And it's okay to pamper yourself. You know, as keto dieters, we may have a strict routine for meals and exercise, but it's just as essential to make time for activities that help us relax and de-stress. Absolutely. And choosing self-care activities that align with your keto lifestyle is very important. Self-care doesn't have to be spa days or bubble baths, so those are great too. It can be anything that improves your overall well-being, such as spending time in nature, playing with your pets, cooking delicious keto meals, having extra time for family, friends, and acquaintances. It could be anything that makes us happy in life. By choosing activities that align with your keto lifestyle, you can improve your mental health and stick to your keto goals. So again, another aspect that's important to consider is to say no to activities that drain you. Yeah, say no to activities that tend to exasperate you. In order to take time for self-care, it's important to say no to activities that drain you. This could be social events, volunteer work, or anything that takes away from your mental and physical health. By prioritizing your self-care, you can improve your overall well-being, making it easier to say no to activities that don't align with your goals. So sometimes when we're up against a major obstacle in our life, sometimes it's good to take a little extra time to calm down, contemplate what's going on, relax, meditate, reflect on what's going on, take a time to take a deep breath. Also, it's very important to prioritize sleep and relaxation. You know, sleep and relaxation are crucial for both our mental and physical well-being. When we don't sleep, it can lead to anxiety, stress, and a weakened immune system. By prioritizing sleep and relaxation, we can improve our overall well-being, making it easier to prioritize self-care in our daily lives. try to establish a bedtime routine that helps you relax and unwind before bed, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. And make self-care when you can a group activity. Self-care doesn't have to be a solo activity by yourself. In fact, making it a group activity can help you stay accountable and build connections with other keto dieters. Whether it's joining a keto cooking group, going for walks with friends and family, or practicing yoga together, making self-care a group activity can make it easier to prioritize in your daily routine. So, in conclusion, as keto dieters, we're always striving to improve our physical health through diet and exercise. But it's important to remember that our mental health is just as critical. Prioritizing self-care means taking time for activities that make us happy and relaxed, which can improve our overall well-being. Whether it's taking a few minutes for meditation or joining a keto cooking group, self-care should be a daily priority in each and every one's lives. By prioritizing self-care, we can stay on track with our keto goals and improve our overall well-being. And there you go. If you have any questions or comments about tonight's discussion, please leave them below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd be very honored if you did and enjoy corresponding with you and having you as a part of our community. And again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.